So despite record-breaking heat, a Valley doctor is walking 10 miles to Chase Field this morning. It's part of a much longer journey to raise awareness for patient and caregiver safety. Our Jamie Warren is live from Chase Field this morning with his story. Good morning, Jamie.
Hey, good morning, Justin. We've been waiting for this moment all morning long, and Dr. Dave Mayer has finally arrived. He's standing live with us this morning. Also, his wife and a friend of theirs behind us as well, raising awareness to a really important cause. And first off, I know you're used to this walk, but I have to ask you, how was it this morning?
This morning was great. I remember back in late May when it was 112 degrees and I was doing 128 miles to all the Cactus League Park. So 88 with a little breeze was beautiful.
You said
thanks for having me on this
Yeah,
morning.
You said you walked about 7 miles this morning. You started at the Phoenix Zoo. And raising awareness to patient safety and healthcare workers for what they do for us every single day. Tell us a little bit about why you're walking to so many different stadiums across the country.
Yeah, well, I'm a physician by background, but I spent a lot of my career in trying to help improve the quality and safety of healthcare, not only for patients, but also those at the front lines. And back in February and March, when the pandemic really started taking hold of us, it became evident that many of our caregivers were losing their lives while they were doing what they love doing, and that's taking care of patients and family members. So I guess out of feeling helpless, decided after watching Forrest Gump one night, I'm just going to start walking, and I'm going to virtually walk across the country and try to raise awareness about the third leading cause of death in this country behind cancer and heart disease, and that's preventable medical harm to patients and caregivers.
Yeah. So you're planning on hitting the 30 Major League Baseball stadiums across the country. Today, we're obviously at Chase Field. You have something in your hand. You walked in honor of a few Valley heroes this morning. Tell us briefly who you were walking in honor of this morning.
Yeah, so we always walk in memory of somebody who's lost their life. So today we were walking in memory of Rolando, who was a nurse out in Gilbert who lost his life while taking care of patients. Ernie was a police officer who also lost his life taking care in the front, first responders. Michael was another police officer in Arizona. And finally, Val is just the wife of a very good friend and patient safety advocate who's been doing this work for years.
Well, thank you so much for your time this morning. We got to go, but I know you'll be setting up that as a little memorial here outside of Chase Field this morning, and just really great work that you're doing all across the country, guys. An inspiring story, and he's from the Valley. He lives here in the Valley, so great to see the work that's being done by a Valley doctor in order to inspire others, bring awareness to what's happening in our hospitals right now. But for now, we're live in downtown Phoenix. I'm Jamie Warren, ABC 15 Arizona.